Hello, my dear friend. I'm so glad you're here in this calm and quiet moment. This time is just for you. To relax, to let go, and simply be. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Allow your body to begin to relax. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Feel the ocean waves around you. With each inhale, a sense of ease. With each exhale, release. You are here, now, safe and held. Imagine yourself sitting on the shore. Soft sand beneath your feet. Warm breeze on your skin, waves gently rolling in and out, just like your breath. Let the sound of the ocean carry you. There's nowhere to be, nothing to do. Just be here. Just breathe. With every inhale, your chest fills with air. With every exhale, tension melts away. Your whole body is part of nature. You are like the ocean, deep, calm, infinite. If thoughts come, let them come. No need to judge or hold on. They arrive and drift away, like the waves. You're breathing slowly, easily. You are here. You are present. And that is enough. Thank yourself for taking these few moments of peace. Take one more deep, gentle breath in and a soft, relaxing exhale. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and bring this calm with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for spending this moment with me. If you enjoyed this meditation, I'd be truly grateful for your like. And to never miss a new session, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Have a beautiful day, my dear friend. Stay calm, stay centered, and remember, you deserve peace.